Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something much different than usual.
It's because we got a new toy.
Well, I thought it was because people were tired of hearing us talk.
Oh yeah, that too.
Awkward high five. Welcome to Turn 5 droning.
It's like just gonna be one big montage of the car and scenery.
Let's see how this works. We hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for a lot more funness.
Make sure to subscribe if you're happy we got a drone.
And click like.
Yeah. And comment about how awesome our drone footage is.
I suppose let's stop droning on. And let Frank,
And let's actually drone along.
let's let Frank do his work.
Okay.
just like that, our cinematic montage of us not droning on is over.
Welcome back to the channel.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed some of that scenery. We enjoyed filming it. Stay tuned for a lot of cool drone footage with our cars as we get into the spring. I think this is gonna be a fantastic addition. Frank's the star of the show.
And if this is your first time to the channel, it would really benefit us, and we would really appreciate it if you subscribed. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers.
That deserves an awkward high five.
Yeah.
Till next time, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you smash
The like button,
or the
subscribe button,
and the
like button,
and the
comment button.
all of it. Just do
Yeah,
it all.
do all
Just
of it.
Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time with Chris, Tyler, and Frank.